Welcome to An American Accent. This is the third video in a series about irregular verbs where I group them by pronunciation rather than by spelling. And this one has a simple past and past participle in the eh vowel. It can be called short E, and it can be called the red vowel because the color red has the vowel in it, eh. It's with the tongue in the front, but kind of center, not high, not low. And you kind of need to smile a little bit so it doesn't become, for example, went, doesn't become want. In the description, you can see links to other videos of mine that explain the color vowel chart, which was created by Taylor and Thompson. So here is a group where the simple past and the past participle are both with the red vowel, but also the base form, so all three. So we got bend, bent, bent, lend, lent, lent, send, sent, sent, spend, spent, spent. And then we have a couple of verbs that don't have the base form with the red vowel, but with different ones. They don't really follow a certain pattern otherwise. So we got hold, held, held, and say, said, said. I hope that helps. If you like it, please hit the like button and subscribe. See you next time.